Hi, hello, namaste. How are you, my dear students? I think all you are fine at home. Yes, so some of the students have opted the course like engineering group. Yes, so in that, today I would like to tell about biomedical engineering and its importance. So, what are the specializations you can take? Okay, actually, this biomedical is one applied course, okay, which is having good importance for the future careers. This is a broad area of science that looks and prevent to treat diseases for human welfare. Actually, what is this? So what this engineer does? Yes, you have one doubt. So along with the doctor, engineer will works. So how along with the doctor, engineer will works? I think hope in hospitals, okay, while doctor is treating a patient, surrounding us so many instruments and equipments like x-ray, okay, radiography, so many instruments like which is we can see as if you go to hospital. So who will design this and who will operate and who will helpful to treat the diseases? The one and only engineer is biomedical engineer. Yes, if you are opting for biomedical engineer, this is very good and it gives good career. As I am telling in all about in few before videos, the skill, practical knowledge base is very important. Whatever you have taken, the thing is you have to study with in concentration. Okay, can we go into the careers? If you study biomedical, as this is BTech course engineering, okay, the first one is immunologist, dental assistant, endocrinologist, medical doctor, nurse, physiologist, research assistant. Okay, so in this if you complete the biomedical course, in this area you can work. Okay, next one is the purpose. So what is the purpose? The first why we have to take a biomedical? This, as I said, engineer working with doctors, therapists, researchers to develop systems, equipments and device to solve chemical problems. Example, we have heart disease, heart problem. So what is the equipment which is curing or which is making we have a heart problem? So what is giving output? The thing is mainly the equipment called ECG. Yes, so this designing is done by the medical, that is biomedical engineer. What we are saying, biomedical engineer we are saying. Okay, how to get in medical research? So after completion of biomedical, medical degree training. So after this biomedical, you can go for PhD, as PhD is a doctorate. In this we have two types of studies. The first one is biomedical science and biomedical engineer. Biomedical science, so this is the course where to observe, to diagnose the patients. Okay, so biomedical science if you opt, okay, this is the career for to observation and diagnosing the problem. So a person, the patient is having which type of disease, so that is diagnosed by biomedical science. Okay, next one is biomedical engineer. So what they will do, that is a technical work, that is a technical work, technical in the sense, as you know, operating or the technical. Clear? Next one is highest pay for engineering, highest pay for engineering. So in this, what are the highest pay? Clear? The first one among the all engineers, computer hardware, aerospace, nuclear systems, chemical, electrical, biomedical and environmental. Okay, so whatever you studied the engineering, so you should not have backlogs. Okay, so if you have idea or a goal to go into a particular industry or a software company, okay, you have to maintain the percent throughout the years up to what you have completed 4 years or 5 years what you have taken. then you have to go with the interview thinking. So all you have crossed, definitely you can get a good job. Okay, in the future video I will tell about, so in India what are the main job prospects about the biomedical. Okay, so how can you step in, so I will tell, don't worry about that. Okay, I would like to thankful the student Bharani and Kumaran, so for commenting all the videos, ma'am, so and so, you can tell it's very very useful. I am very happy to share like this with them. Okay, thank you for watching.